Hey gems, this is my beater. I'm going to show you how to bead your hair without rubber bands. I'm doing this on extension on my daughter. You see right here I am pulling the beads from off the beater onto the braid. And this method I would definitely say to do on extension past your hair, because when you remove it, you do not want to end up cutting your hair, because you have to cut it where the knot that you make is at. So definitely go past your hair like so. When you take it out, you have to cut right at that knot you see, and that's how you remove it. So you must braid past your hair. I'm going to show you another way, well, the same way on another braid. And you just loop it through your beater. Oh, it slipped through that time. For this braid, I'm trying to go in a slower motion so you can really see how to do it once you put on your beater. And you just slide the beads up. And by you tying the knot helps the beads not come off the braid, which where with the rubber band, you will have to tie it differently, which I've shown in another video. You'll have to go check that out. But for extension, running past your client's hair, you can definitely do this method. And at the end of my daughter's hair, I'm going to curl it, and just to give it another look I haven't seen before, and just something different, so she could do curls and beads instead of just beads or just curls. I want her to be able to do both, which I'll show you the outcome of that after. And you just pull. Not too hard on the client, of course. My daughter did not feel me pulling. Well, she probably felt a little pressure, but it wasn't like me pulling her hair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Let me know how yours turned out. You can send me pictures. I'm on Instagram, Slayed by Gemma, and see ya. Toodles and noodles and oodles.